feel the hurt. The world's smallest violin really needs an audience. So if I do not find somebody soon, I'll blow up into smithereens and spew my tiny symphony all up and down a city street while trying to put my mind at ease, like finishing this melody. This feels like a necessity, so this could be the death of me, or maybe just a better me. Now coming with the symphonies and take a shot of Hennessy. I know I'm not there mentally, but you could be the remedy. So let me play my violin for you.
What? No, we didn't fucking save? You fucking kidding me? Look at this. You guys see that? What the fuck? What? What? Motherfucker. What? Come on, bruh. And it was a 220. Fuck. Could have 220 that. Motherfucker.